Hey, what's happening everybody? It's your old man Mark Bryce. Today's video we're going to go ahead and discuss the LED kits that I have here. I'm going to show you guys something that I did not know about. It took a while to realize that this was included. When I opened up my center console, the main adapter that controls all of these lights, behind it has a QR code. You scan that QR code and you get this app right here. This app controls your LEDs. Right now it's blue. Let's go ahead and yellow. Get white. Looks pinkish to me. You get these colors. Red. Red doesn't look bad, but I like blue. You get green. Mind you, I also did the doors. You get many colors, and also it can work with music. It goes with the rhythm pattern. Let's see. Blue's my favorite, but hold on. Check this out. 3-color it just changes colors, which I think is pretty cool. 7-color jumping change. You can also change the speed. Not bad. But let me just keep it at blue and let's start talking. No, this is blue strobe. I don't want blue strobe. I just want blue gradual change. Nope, I just want static blue. Alright, that's my color of choice. Alright, so let's go ahead and start discussing this. Now, I received many questions online on Instagram. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's all under the same name, NuMBERNYC. It's all one word. Now, I received many questions on how to install this. I made several videos on center console, dashboard, and also the back doors on how to install these LED kits. Now, people asked, how much would you charge? Somebody had said, hey, I'll pay you $300 if you do it on my car. That's pretty cool. I'm flattered, but I will never install anything in someone else's car because I don't want to be liable. I mean, I know I'm not going to ruin anything, but it's just that I just feel uncomfortable working on someone's car that I know is not mine. That's just the way it is. Also, I just don't feel comfortable having someone come all the way to my garage and just hang out for a couple of hours while I work on their car. It feels like I'm being rushed, and I don't like that. Now, to do this full LED kit, it required 2 kits, and I paid $17 each, so a little less than $40 if you include tax. $40 is not bad. For someone to ask, no, for someone to say, hey, I'll pay you $300 for something that only cost me $40, not bad. But you gotta understand the time that it took to install these. It took me about 5 to 6 hours to install these kits here, because I was opening up parts of my car that I didn't want to ruin. I didn't know how to, so I was learning as I went. So if you follow my channel and you watch these clips, it'll be a lot easier for you. What also took me time was the editing, setting up the camera, the lights, the angle, so that took up time. Redoing a clip because I didn't like the way it looked, so you have to keep that in mind. So it took about 5 to 6 hours. But you can do this within, I want to say you can do all of this within like 2 hours. 2 hours, and let's say you charge somebody $300 to $400 if you're very good at this, and it only costs you $40 for these kits. Think about that. Look at the return of investment there. I won't do it just because it takes up time away from my family, my business, so it doesn't work for me. But if you're not working or you're at school and you need some money on the side, this is a perfect way for you to make money, so keep that in mind. I like this kit. I wish that this kit would have ways where you can turn a certain part of the lights where it gradually turns from blue to red and you can see it fading. That doesn't have this. Doesn't have that fading colors. I wish it did, but it's all good. I do like the way this came out. It looks very professional. It took me time to remove the doors, the door panels, make it look clean and flush, especially this. Now, I do have one more project, well, 2 more projects to do for this kit, and then I'll be completely done. One is right here, the map. I want all of this to change. I want to have that ring around here to work and comply with the LED kits. And another one I can't show you right now because it's actually behind me and I'm driving, and where it's located is actually the AC vent for the kids, for the rear seats. That rear console, center console, where the USB is. I made a video on how to install the USBs on this vehicle. That center console, I'll put an image right here for you to see. Now that chrome ring that you see around, I want to put the LED strips there. Yeah, the snow is coming down. Hopefully the snow stops soon. But it's a Friday. It's a very soggy, cloudy, gray Friday. But I'm not going to complain. It is what, 4:09 on a Friday. I'm going to go home, have some food, and chill with the family. Well, that's all I have right now. This was the discussion that I want to talk about this kit here. That if you do like it, you want to do this, you can make money on the side. You can start a hustle right here with these LED kits. I'll put the link below where I got them for 17 and 18 bucks. Remember, you're gonna need two to make to install those two kits on this Jeep Altitude 2020. But again, this works on all type of Jeep Grand Cherokees. Now it may change with your type of vehicle, but it requires two kits for this one. All right, everyone, this is Mark Bryce, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. You guys ready for Thanksgiving? I know I am.